How to put on your mask. First, wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Or use hand sanitizer. This is your face mask. This is the side of your face mask that will go over your nose and mouth. Turn that side face up and let the straps hang down on the outside. Place your hands through the straps, like this. Make sure the curved part is resting on the palm of your hand. Lean forward slightly and pull the strap over and around the back of your head while keeping the mask held onto your face. Next, take the other strap and pull it over and around the back of your head. Make sure the face mask is over your nose and mouth and a little under your chin. Make sure you can breathe easily.